So here's a Prismacolor Ebony pencil that I have. I'll kind of use this to just to darken some of these areas here. So again, I use this makeup brush here, and this is really good for kind of blending in those shadows and what you can't do with pencil, you know what I mean? Kind of making it softer. You know, and give some of those highlights to those areas. And then over here, I wanted to add some shadow, but now I'm gonna add it a little bit here. Because it looks better with this versus you trying to use my pencil. I think so, at least. Again, use this makeup brush to blend it in. Give it a little bit of smooth look and feel to it. And of course, I need to show you one last thing. Do I have my little pencil eraser here, because I need to use that for the little highlights in the eyes. And here's my eraser, pencil eraser, I guess, or just to put some highlight in here in the eye. Again, adding some realism. And I'll leave it at that. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.